What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK655 ELE. It's going to be our brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with 6 on 5.5 bolt circle. See right here, this box you get it in. Got our logo on it. Got two smaller boxes down in here to hold everything nice and neat while it gets to you. We got our smaller boxes. We got our True Ride hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And the way we're going to measure this bolt pattern is from stud to the stud directly across, center to center. And on this one, that's going to be 5.5. You can see our races are already pressed in on both sides. We got our True Ride backing plate, tang that's already installed. Already True Ride inspected, got the studs in it, got the wiring already on it. And we got our True Ride sticker down in here that's going to tell us left hand, right hand. We got our small parts. We got our other True Ride hub and drum. Our other backing plate. So with this kit, you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. And we're going to get our mounting hardware. We get 8 washers and 8 nuts. We're just going to stick this onto the plate on the axle, put your washer on, throw your nut on, and you're good to go. We're going to get our bearings. We're going to get a set of inners and outers for either side. So we got our inner, which is the L68149, and we got our outer, which is the L44649. Our outer is going to pop in right there, and our inner is just going to pop in right there. We got our seals. You're going to get a seal for each side. You see right there, you pop your bearing in and then your seal right behind it. And we're going to get 12 lug nuts. You're going to get 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. And a lot of guys won't send you the cotter pins, but we like to make sure that you guys get everything you need. So you're going to stick your castle nut on your spindle, stick your cotter pin through just like that, and hold it on there nice and tight. And then we're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason that you get 4, as you can see right here, these have holes in them, these don't. These are for the easy lube spindles, and these are for your regular spindles. So these are going to come with your tang washer, which will replace your cotter pin for the easy lube spindles, along with your rubber plug. You can see right here it's already installed. And then we got our regular grease caps with the regular spindle washers. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the 655 ELE.